Hello Year 7, welcome to your first celebration assembly. They take place every term and this is the Christmas edition. Mrs. Nash and I, we're both here in front of our Christmas trees at home and we are looking forward to celebrating with you in today's assembly. So guys, we've made it through the first term of a very challenging year, but you've come out stronger and wiser and more prepared for what is ahead. So today we're going to take a moment just to celebrate you and your achievement. The format of our celebration assembly is that all of your teachers have put forward 2 pupils for each subject. So we've got some awards for subjects, we've got awards from our form tutors, we've got Achievement Directors Awards, House Awards and Punctuality Awards.
Now, before we go through some of the awards, we have to recognise that even though there are only 2 winners per subject, that does not mean that we don't appreciate the effort every single one of you has put in. If we could, we would give every single student an award, but we just can't do that. So don't feel like you've not been appreciated and your efforts have been unnoticed. They haven't. It's just on this occasion, you may not have got the actual final award. But without further ado, let's begin our assembly. So for English, let's give a big congratulations to Edlira and Anne in 7B, well done. For Maths, big well done goes to Kusai in 7F and Endry in 7R. Fantastic work, boys, well done. Science, our top scientists for this term were Aurel in 7B, and keeping it a family fair, Brielle, also in 7B.
Oh, Miss, I think Brielle's in 7M now.
Brielle is in 7M. Good shout, Miss. But for geography, my favourite subject, George UK, very well done. And Serena in 7R, great work. And I'm going to hand you to Miss Tansley. She's going to do the next 4 awards for us.
Okay, so the next subject is history and the 2 awards go to Maria in 7M and Tamas in 7F. Congratulations. And the next subject, my subject, PE, and the 2 awards go to Florin in 7B and Anna in 7M. Congratulations, guys. The next award is for drama, and the 2 students taking home the drama certificates are Endry in 7R and Kalista in 7M. Well done. And finally from me, information technology computing. The awards go to Lindsay in 7B and Diamond in 7B.
Now I think for the next few awards, these students need to give me a few tips because I'm not very good at them. So RE, the winner goes to Eamon in 7B and Tuana in 7F. Well done. DT, Nike in 7F. Congratulations. And Iseneva in 7B. You guys need to give me some tips because I'm not very good at that subject. Another one where I need some lessons, art. Well done goes to Sade in 7B. And Georgie K, also in 7B. And Spanish, who are our winners? Our winners are Razwan in 7M and Iseneva in 7B. And finally, the last one from me is music. And that goes to Lindsay, congratulations in 7B, and Florin also in 7B. Well done, guys.
Okay, so for PSHE, Personal, Social, Health and Economic Education, the awards go to Alvita in 7F, congratulations, and Florin again in 7B. Well done to both of you. The next award is for English as an additional language. So those people who don't speak English as their first language at home, let's see who has won the awards for these subjects. Tuana in 7F, and Lorena in 7R. Well done. And Writing for Success, the award goes to Tia in 7F and Alfonso in 7M. Well done to you 2. And Latin, the awards go to Dimitri in 7M and Amy in 7M. Well done.
Now let's have a look at the achievement points. So we have a look at how we've done as a whole school, as a year group, and which form in our year has done the absolute best. Let's have a look. So as a school, until autumn term 1 and 2, we've had 44,000 achievement points, which is absolutely incredible as a school. In year 7, you guys have done fantastic. 9,597 achievement points between you. Absolutely brilliant. I'm sure Miss Tansley will agree with that.
Should we have a drum roll now? I want everyone to do a drum roll for the winning form. Everybody, let's go. Who is it?
The winner is 7M, 3,134 points. Absolutely fantastic. Almost a third of the total of our year 7 points. Absolutely incredible. Brilliant work,
I think I can hear 7M cheering, Miss.
I know, I can as well. I'm not even there.
Okay. Form Tutor Awards. Over to you, Mrs. Nash.
So these are the tutees who are form tutors, have just settled in fantastically, made a brilliant effort, been role models, and just been students that we can be so proud of. Just to stress again, we could have had so many of you, and it's been a really hard decision for the form tutors. But without further ado, our form winners of 7B are Georgie N, very well done, and Manar. Fantastic work, guys, well done.
Is this you or me, Miss?
Oh, sorry, it's me. 7R. The winner is Jasmine, very well done, and Dylan. Great work.
Okay, 7M, Mr. Jabbar's form, and he has nominated Brielle and Alfonso. Congratulations, you two, for winning the Form Tutors Award. Well done. And 7F, Mr. Boys Layton, here we go. The winners are Tia and Musa. Well done, both of you. Congratulations. Okay, so our top achievement point pupils. So which 3 pupils so far in year 7 are at the top with those achievement points? In 3rd place is Razvan with 161 achievement points. In 2nd place is Brielle in 7M with 165 achievement points. And in 1st place, with currently at the top of our leaderboard, and it can all change next term, is Laura Peacock, 7M, 191 achievement points. Congratulations, Laura, fantastic. Keep it up. Okay, Miss.
Now, our Achievement Director Awards. This goes to 2 students who, for myself and Miss Tansley, have made such a promising start in the school. The teachers think the world of them. They're so polite, they're role models, they've got lots of friends, they help people who they're maybe not particularly friendly with, and they're always willing to support people in their form room. So our first winner of our Achievement Director Award for this term goes to Dimitri in 7B, well done.
And our second Achievement Director Award goes to Iseneva, also in 7B, well done to you. Okay, we also have 4 house awards, so nominated 1 student per house. So the house award for Dalton House goes to Chloe in 7M. Well done, Chloe. The house award for Newton goes to Brielle in 7M. Well done, Brielle. House award for Anning goes to Maria in 7M. Well done, Maria. And the house award for Franklin, let's see if any of the other forms can get in there. Laura in 7N. It's a wipeout from 7M. Well done. 7B, 7R, and 7F. We need to make sure we knock 7M off that top spot next half term. And total house points. So the number of achievement points that your house in year 7 has got for this term. So in 1st place is Newton. 2nd place is Dalton. 3rd place is Anning, and 4th place is Franklin. Well done, Newton. The rest of you 3 houses, you need to knock them off the top spot.
Now, as part of being in secondary school, one of the things we look out for is your punctuality and your attendance. Now, punctuality means getting to school on time. And for nearly all of you, you've done a really good job. We haven't had many students with more than 1 or 2 lates. For your attendance, obviously, we want 100% attendance because that means you're in every day, you're not wasting any learning time, and you're in for all your lessons. So a very, very big congratulations to the students on the board now. I'm not going to read through your names, there's too many of you, but a big, big congratulations to all of you because you've had 0 lates this term and you've got 100% attendance. Very well done. For all the awards that we've gone through this evening, you will all get certificates for them. So make sure you speak to your form tutors and make sure you chase us if it takes us a while to get them to you. But I promise you, you've all got certificates coming your way.
Okay, and we're nearly at the end of our celebration assembly, but we do have to say some thank yous to some very, very special people in our year group. And I think you can work out who I'm talking about. So when you see your form tutor come on the screen, I want you to give a massive, massive round of applause and a big thank you to them. So firstly, for 7B, we have Mrs. Anscombe. Miss, over to you.
Our next tutor, I hope I have it in the right order, is 7R, Miss Simonova.
Yay, thank you, Miss Simonova. And for 7M, we have Mr. Jabba.
And last but not least, let's give it up for 7F's tutor, Mr. Boyes Layton.
Yay, thank you very much, tutors from both of us, for everything that you do for our year group. So year 7, we've reached the end of our celebration assembly. It makes me quite sad that we're not doing this in person in the actual assembly hall, but I think it's nice for you to be with your form class, in your classroom, with your tutor, and able to watch this on the screen and celebrate with your friends. So everybody who has got an award today, let's just give them all a round of applause. Well done, fantastic. And all it remains for us to say is to have a really amazing Christmas break. I really hope that you get to spend time with your families, those members of your families that you can see. Have a rest. It's been a really long term. Make sure you put your books away for a couple of days and just take a break, switch off from everything, and then be ready to come back. Make sure all your Google Classroom homework is up to date by the time we come back, and we will see you in January.
Absolutely. On top of that, can we just say it has been an absolute pleasure getting to know all of you throughout the last few weeks, or the last few months, and we are really looking forward to getting to know you even more and watching you guys grow and progress as we go through the rest of year 7. Have a really, really wonderful holiday. If you celebrate Christmas, a very Merry Christmas, and of course, have a very, very happy New Year, and we will see you soon.